Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to go over my super detailed graphics mod for BeamNG.drive. But first, I got a cool trick shot here. I mean, it could have been a little bit cleaner, but... Victory beep. Okay, here's before. And this is after. I got rid of the PBR shaders and added the PBRUltraHD+ProMax shaders, objects, and textures. So, once again, here's before. Kind of ugly, honestly. And then here, we got those, the ProMax is really come in handy here. And look at that. Even the rocks are simulated moving. Now, obviously, this is just kind of a meme. This is just me playing around. This isn't like a shader pack. I'll show you what it is, though. So here it is. Obviously not a shader pack. So this is the 3-wheel version. It has been in several videos, but this is my newly released 4-wheel version. This is what you see in the video, obviously. Independent front suspension, like the Pigeon. Leaf sprung solid axle rear suspension, like the Pigeon. And super detailed, realistic Pigeon body. If you want to see more of this, I'll have a link at the end of this video, like right here. But if you don't want to see any more, just click off the video. Thanks for watching. If you could get me to 500 subs, that'd be cool. We're at like 491.